marine underwater realm around Iceland is very special and unique. Rarely do you find such a high variety of habitats. Sitting on top of the Greenland-Iceland Faroe Ridge and the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, two vast underwater mountain chains, the marine environment around Iceland is not only a geological hotspot, but also a hotspot of biodiversity. Iceland's variety of habitats is ranging from black volcanic beaches, down over spectacular cold water coral gardens, further to hydrothermal vents, and then finally onto deep-sea abyssal plains in the Arctic and North Atlantic Ocean. A myriad of creatures calls these habitats homes. While the fauna was believed to be well understood due to work carried out during historical expeditions, recently the IceAGE project has revealed a high percentage of undescribed species and habitats.
IceAGE stands for Icelandic Marine Animals Genetics and Ecology. The international project is based on the enthusiasm of over 100 researchers from 20 nations worldwide. Furthermore, IceAGE is based on the knowledge of geology, biology, oceanography, and biochemistry in an interdisciplinary approach. We aim to become a long-term observatory of the Icelandic marine fauna.
As a modern exploration project, we are following in the footsteps of such pioneers as Alexander von Humboldt. Knowledge of benthic organisms in Icelandic waters stems from the remarkable Danish Ingolf expedition, which explored waters around the Faroe Islands, Iceland and Greenland during 4 months of the year in 1895 and 1896. This effort was the first large-scale scientific benthic exploration in the region. The very successful BioFAR project, standing for Biology of the Faroe Islands, was initiated by Norwegian and Danish marine biologists and sampled approximately 600 localities in Faroese waters. Based on BioFAR, the International Benthic Invertebrates of Icelandic Waters project, BioIce took place from 1992 to 2004, and this focused on the collection and characterization of benthic invertebrates within the Icelandic economic zone. Data from the BioIce project has greatly expanded our knowledge of the benthic invertebrates in this region, outlining their taxonomy, distribution, and their diversity.
The founders of BioFAR and BioIce, they created a unique initiative, especially the group of scientists around our Icelandic colleague and professor Jörundur Svavarsson, and this can be seen in the infrastructure present today on Iceland. So we have the heritage of the previous generations of scientists to build up upon the knowledge and to continue and expand it with modern techniques and to create a better understanding of the ecosystem in the future. And this is what IceAGE stands for.
Due to increasing temperatures, the region may be subject to extensive changes that influence benthic organisms. Changes in organismal distributions, community structure, and diversity are concerns in the coming years, given Iceland's location in a climatically sensitive area. Studies suggest that the complex hydrography has a high sensitivity to climate change scenarios. An inventory of the fauna sets a baseline for later reference and is of major importance for a better understanding of how marine environments respond to climate change. Classical taxonomic approaches to create species catalogues for the region are crucial. While preserving samples for molecular work during IceAGE is also an important aspect of the project sample design, something that the project's predecessors did not have. Within those running the IceAGE project, longevity and the continuation of the preceding legacy is of key importance.
I would say I have a wish. And if the wish comes true, it's depending on the future and future expeditions. So I want to describe and to understand the marine biodiversity around Iceland and also understand what's going on in the adjacent waters, how Iceland is working and functioning as a natural experimental area, and what does it tell us as a story for the future. If we do have a long-term observatory, can we help to protect vulnerable marine ecosystems? This is the question we need to solve, and this is why we are working hard on future chip time applications to continue the story.
IceAGE will continue to provide a baseline knowledge for this climatically sensitive region. It is vital that such regions are understood to the fullest, as you cannot protect that which you do not know.